Supreme Court to begin hearing of Atiku's appeal against Tinubu's tribunal victory on Monday. Welcome to the news and thank you for tuning in to listen. Please subscribe to our channel. To get notified when we post our juicy news updates, please click on his notification bell. The Supreme Court of Nigeria has fixed October 23rd to commence the hearing of a post-tribunal appeal filed by Atiku Abubakar against the electoral victory of President Bola Tinubu. Atiku Abubakar is of the People's Democratic Party is contesting the judgment of the Presidential Election Petition Court (PEPC), which upheld the announcement of Tinubu as the winner of the 2023 presidential election. The Apex Court served hearing notices on the respective parties today, according to the cable. Now, this is what I am going to say. Well, let me tell you people, guard your hearts. Me, my own heart is made of stone right now. My shock absorber is very strong and caged. There is nothing that can shock me. The PEPC have come and gave their own verdict that, see, Shubon, they are striking out this one due to technicalities. They are striking this issue out and all of that. Do you know? Do you know how many this thing? Do you know how many, how am I going to put it? A lot of people who put their hope in the PEPC, their hearts got broken. Again, for the third or the fourth time concerning this particular issue. Sincerely. You know, as in, there is a lot of people, and that is why I'm telling us. Not because I do not want, the PEPC, the Supreme Court, they will give their own judgment. You understand? They will. But I want you all to be in a state of, at the end of the day, anything will happen, it happen. You see this one with Supreme Court, the judge, anything will happen, it happen, because not them be the highest. So anything will happen, it happen be that. Supreme Court judgment must be based on constitutional provisions and not technicality. That is what I'm saying. But what if they don't follow this thing you said now? What if they base it on technicalities? Is there anything you can really do? That is what I'm saying. That you should guard your hearts. Why we try to hold these people accountable? Guard your hearts so that at the end of the day, it is not going. As in, it's not going to pieces. Because some people from February 25th, when we had the elections, their hearts were broken. And when they announced the result on the 26th, midnight, they woke up, their heart was broken. A lot of issues. A whole lot of issues. So, this time around, if it happens to be that, we don't know the kind of country we're inside, just prep yourself for the worst. So that if the best happens, you're going to be really, really happy. Nigerians are going to award them the best entertainer of the year. Really? Thank Mr. Atiku for always entertaining Nigerians on the whole world. The next drama has been shifted to Supreme Court, where Mr. President will finally be confirmed as Nigerian president. Forgery petition is outdated because it was confirmed that he graduated from the university. Which university? Beg, you get some people be saying in their support of another person, they are so blind, they are so daft, and it is not okay. It's not okay. All right. Reply, okay. They are saying some people are calling Atiku an entertainer, and I'm telling them, don't worry. To you, it's going to be an entertainer. What's it called? But if the Supreme Court do what they're supposed to do, to be sincere with you. All right. On top of this one, like I said before, make your heart no do it. Make your heart get wetin dem dey call heart of stone, because the Supreme Court fit come now come tell you say, based on this particular issue, we are striking this one out. Based on another issue, they are striking this one out, and they continue and continue and continue until they get to the last what's it called, this CSU, and they tell you, and they get to another evidence, and they tell you, and you are like, you are lost. This issue now of this thing, we all know how a lot of people looked forward to the PEPC verdict. What happened? What happened that day? We could see how the PEPC carry our hand fall for ground. A lot of stories left untold, a lot of tears that was cried. Do you know how much people mental health was affected after they gave their all in the election, after they marketed the election like their business, after they used the resources just to make sure that the election went really well? All right, well, now so it's supposed to be. Do you understand? So we don't know what in our Nigerian government suppose, as in we don't know how they are. We are in the time where the executive that is not supposed to have any business with the judiciary or legislative powers, they're supposed to focus on their executive duties or exclusive lists, you understand, and make other people focus on their duties. But no, we're living in the time where these people, they won't do the one way they for both. They won't be executive. Only then still won't be legislature. Only then still now won't come be judiciary. You understand? So knowing how to receive any kind of heartbreaking or handbreaking, it should be a skill. I'm telling you. Knowing how to collect any disappointment news should be a skill, life surviving skill. All right, this is not me trying to weigh us down, but this is the truth. This is the truth, so that you don't have a breakdown. In fact, it is better